Laravel uses PHP, which is a common language for web. It makes hard tasks easy and quick. This is great for businesses. Why? Let's find out in this video, wherein I'll highlight you the benefits for Laravel. Laravel came in around 2013 and got stable precisely with version 4.0. Back then, its range of functions was nowhere near as extensive as it is today. There was much smaller community and hardly any official extension or ecosystem for Laravel. But even at that time, it was a pleasure to implement projects with it. Developers used it even for small projects, as it was always a good starting point and faster than starting over and over from scratch. Today, things are looking way much more different, and in my opinion, it makes more sense than ever to use Laravel for your projects. Here are some top reasons to why businesses love Laravel. Number 1. Quick work. With Laravel, making website or app takes less time. This means your business moves faster. Number 2. It grows with you, meaning as your business gets bigger, Laravel can handle it. And number 3 is keeping things safe. Laravel is good for protecting your data, so it's great choice for implementing security in your apps. According to the JetBrains PHP report of 2023, whose link is in the description box, Laravel is the most regularly used framework by PHP developers. Laravel is also most searched on Google Trends. None of the other frameworks even come close. While popularity alone doesn't guarantee quality, the large community suggests a robust ecosystem and a widespread adoption. Here are 4 more features that make Laravel a good choice. Feature number 1, it's super versatile. Laravel has become very versatile over the years. Nowadays, it's also possible to create applications using front-end technologies like Vue, React, and mix it along with Laravel. Feature number 2, it has a large number of features. While it's challenging to list all of them, Laravel provides almost everything needed for application development. Routing, models, views, controllers, error handling, logging, task scheduling, and so much more. Feature number 3 is its beautiful starter kit. Laravel offers a wide variety of starter kit to different tastes. These kits help you get started even faster. You can directly extend your newly installed project with functions like registration, login, password reset, and emails. These starter kits often come with pre-installed tools, libraries, and dependencies, eliminating the need for developers to spend time and use that time for the development from scratch. The learning aspect. Is it hard to master Laravel? Well, some might wonder if Laravel is hard to learn. The good news is it's quite learner-friendly. This means if you are looking to add a tech skill to your portfolio, Laravel is a great choice. And it's also why we find so many skilled developers taking up Laravel courses from our Programming Hub app. Creators of our app have gone through this learning process and can now bring their expertise to your projects. For those interested in diving deep into Laravel, download our Programming Hub app from the description box below and see how quickly you can learn Laravel. Lastly, the feature number 4 is continuous improvement. Laravel is known for its continuous improvements and regular updates, which indicates that it is going to stay and not perish in the near future. Each new version brings new enhancements, new features, ensuring that developers are always equipped with the latest practices and the latest tools. The journey through Laravel's evolution and its strengths, so showcased in this video, reflects how many developers have gone through and supported this framework. It's important to note that, like any technology, Laravel have its challenges and criticisms. While I'm aware of them, the intention of this video is to show the positive aspects and that have contributed to Laravel's sustained popularity as well as its success. If you are considering Laravel for your projects, I encourage you to explore its capabilities, join the big community, and contribute to its growth. Feel free to leave a like, and if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to share it amongst your friends. Happy coding!